guys, welcome back to Love Me Coupons on YouTube. If you're new here, my name is Kayla and my mom's name is Heather, and we both run Love Me Coupons over on TikTok and on Instagram. But today, if you can't tell by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be showing you, if you're a teacher or you know a teacher, how to get free tickets over at SeaWorld. This is for SeaWorld San Diego, SeaWorld San Antonio, or SeaWorld in Orlando. So it's pretty easy actually. I'll have like a little screen record of what's going on my phone over here. That way I'm able to explain it to you guys, and that way you can see it as well. I'll link all three of them down below in the description too. That way all you have to do is click the link. It'll take you right to their website and you verify yourself that way as well. But if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and that post notification bell as well, so you can be notified when my mom and I post new videos. So let's get started and let me show you how you can get free tickets at SeaWorld. There's multiple ways you can do this. You can just look up free SeaWorld tickets for teachers, or you can actually just click the links down below. This is not sponsored whatsoever, just showing you how to do it. Either way, whatever works for you, you can look up, like I have on the screen, free SeaWorld tickets for teachers, and it'll show all three of the sites. But I'm just gonna click on the Florida one because if I was to go, it would be the one in Florida. San Antonio and San Diego are too far for me. So once you're on the site, as you see, there's different options. Like, it explains it all to you. And then if you scroll down, it does give you an option to verify yourself as a teacher, like log in with your teacher ID. This is good until August 31st of 2022. You get unlimited tickets to SeaWorld if you are a K through 12 teacher. This also has to be pre-registered online. It cannot be done at the park. And then you must have your own ID.me account for this to be done, so you can register and create yourself your own account. So if you click on the log me in with my teacher ID, it'll take you right over to this website where you can either sign in or create yourself your own account. I actually already have an account because obviously, like I said, I am going to school to be a teacher, so I do have an EDU login. So then once you create or log into an account, it's gonna pop up a page just like this where you can say either you're licensed by your state or you do not have your license number, but you can verify using your documentation. So you'll choose either of them just to actually log in and go get your tickets. Although the website does state it's for college or university professors, pre-K to 12 school employees, pre-K to 12 principals or assistant principals, or state licensed / certified pre-K to 12 classroom teachers, to qualify for the unlimited SeaWorld tickets, you do have to be a K through 12 teacher. Once you go through verifying yourself through the ID.me website and you go through the SeaWorld's website to complete everything, all of the tickets will be emailed to your email. It's actually pretty easy. It's not too much involved, and if you are a teacher, I would definitely take advantage of that. When I went to Disney and I went to SeaWorld, I absolutely loved it. The dolphin show is my favorite. So comment down below if you've been to SeaWorld before and what your favorite attraction there was. And if you want more teacher deals like this, make sure to comment down below and let me know, because like I said, I am going to school to be a teacher, so I would love to find more deals like this. So I hope that helped, and send this to any of your teacher friends. Let them know. Maybe you can do like a whole teacher trip to SeaWorld on like the weekend or your days off, because that sounds like so much fun. But like I said in the beginning, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that post notification bell, and might as well leave a like. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment them down below, and have a great day and happy couponing, and stay safe out there, teachers. Bye!